As a mom, you want to ensure that your kids feel protected, your kids feel safe, and any product that you want to put your dollar in, it's the best product. Now, I can only give you an honest review, and I can say definitely that Island Shipper did just that. My daughter was traveling to Jamaica after being over here with me for some time, and I had to send a baby car seat home for her to travel in the car. As moms, we are worried, we are flustered, we just lose it. So finding Island Shipper was the best decision ever, because they delivered on everything they said they would have. My daughter traveled around the 1st of the month, and of course when you get to Jamaica, we now have a quarantine order, and she had to stay home for 14 days. So then I'm thinking her dad, with other shipping companies in Jamaica, would need to travel to go pick it up, spend another 2 hours in line just to get the item. And I'm like, no. The item was shipped out. Island Shipper got it in Florida, and the next thing I know, I got an email to say my car seat was being shipped to Jamaica. It got there in less than a week, and I got a call from Jamaica to say, hey, they're making the delivery. I was elated. I was overjoyed. So that's the type of company I will always be shipping with. Island Shippers. Always.